Hello everyone, this is Yi from Gosu Boat. Today we share this one, 7.5 meter easy craft boat. If you are looking for the fishing boat for about 8 people, we would recommend that you see this video and see this model. This easy craft boat is one of our most popular model to many countries, Australia, New Zealand, North America, Europe, and Korea. Many different countries, we got many positive feedback for this model, and you can follow me to see the design, see the cabin layout of this one. This easy craft boat is designed with pontoon on its side. On the bottom, we can see the lifting sticks, which you can see it help to performance excellent. Satellite glass window. The single engine transom design. Small engine brackets here. On the stern, the aluminum heads. The extended sunshade, we can put the sunshade here. The door locker, so it can help fix the door when open. Behind the captain seat, it's the hand basin, stove place. On the port side, it's the two side seats, lifted table, storage box with cushions. In the relaxing area, the cushions. Here, marine toilet. If you would like to provide more privacy, you can add the curtain here. Or if you would like the longer relaxing area, it is okay to add extended plate for it and with cushions. On the port side, we can see here, it's the two side seats. You can select two seats, forward and with the handrails here. Or you can select two, sit like this. And maybe for kids, they can sleep here. You can put your leg here. The kids can sleep here as well. Or when not needed, you can lift this place up. And with the cup holder, you can put drink spares here as well. On the other side, we can see the cushions here. So when you lean on here as well, it's very soft. And with the handrails here. You can see the outside from this sliding window, have the fresh air through this place as well. Also here, we added this rubber to protect the aluminum edge, to protect people, kids, when sit here or put their eggs here. Arm here. Well, for the lifted table, it is okay. You can see here, remove the cushions here. You can see the cup holder. You can lift it up. You can see. And fixed to make it stable. Then you can have some food, some fruit, some big beers, drinks here, and talk with your friends. All convenient. It is okay if you would like the storage box behind the captain seat. Remove the hand basin, stove, put the storage box with cushions like this as well. Both available. You can see which one you prefer. For this 7.5 meter easy craft boat, the total length is about 25 feet, and you can carry about 8 people to go fishing together. This model is without walkaround, and you can see the space. People like me or another people here, you can walk through conveniently. For adults, it would be convenient to walk through this place conveniently. That's the difference for the extra cab model and walk-through model. For the walk-through, it will have the space for the walk-through, so it will minimize the cabin inside. Okay, so you can see which one you need. Would you like to do fishing in every corner of the boat, or you prefer to have the table like this, and it can be converted into a bed when you put it down and with cushions on it. And also here, we also add this edge. So sometimes you may see the boat similar, but you can see the difference, the details about this handling, no matter this window or the accessories, stainless steel accessories, the small accessories difference, the material difference, so which will all make the whole boat performance and the price difference. Well, you can contact us to see the details for what we can provide. In the front here, there's the handrails to hold when you sit on the passenger seats. Also, this place to put some stuff inside. The captive curtain, so which can protect from the humidity. Sliding window have the fresh air into this cabin. For all this one, it's stainless steel on our boats. For this 7.5 meter, this one is stainless steel one. On the deck, currently we add the aluminum small hatch here. So you can remove these screws and check the oil level gauge above the fuel tank. 2 fold-down seats on the stern. Aluminum door, so can install the battery conveniently. Also here, currently we install the washing pump on the back of this plate instead of on the floor, so can prevent from the water. Also the draining hole to the stern. Washing gun to clean the deck. Here. Also for the fish tank, when you turn on the battery, turn on the washing pump and open this place, you can have the water, seawater into this tank. Also we add the draining hole on the bottom, so can protect, can drain them directly, totally. Today we shared another 7.5 meter easy craft boat that is finished and will be delivered soon. This is one of our most popular model, popular size to many countries. And you can see the layout, the accessories you prefer. Many of them are optional accessories, and some accessories that they didn't install. And also here, the water, the place to put the fresh water into the connected with the head basin water pump. Well, you can let us know if other accessories you prefer on this model on this side. And also here, the round pipe that we can put the cover here, extended sunshade to cover the deck. When you stand here, when you have the strong sun, you can protect you. Well, if you have any other question, if you are looking for the fishing boat, any info needed, please follow my YouTube channel, contact me by my email, WhatsApp. Then I will provide you the boat price, some boat details, specification, and some feedback pictures, videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.